What's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. In this series, we take 5 minutes to understand how someone has created a successful YouTube channel. And in this week, we're looking at Kelly Stamps. Before we get into it, I just want to ask you guys to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed the video at all. It really helps my channel out and I appreciate it. So, who is Kelly Stamps? And why is she worth our time? I'll tell you. Kelly Stamps is a YouTuber who just reached 100,000 subscribers this week and over 3 million views on her YouTube channel overall. In my opinion, her channel is based around lifestyle, comedy, and storytelling / vlogging. In her words, she posts unapologetic stories of adulthood, moving, traveling alone, great food, and tragic Bumble dates. Although your definition of blowing up may be different than mine, she has gained over 90,000 subscribers in the last 3 months, as it's currently August 30th.
We are in a world crisis. I am making a little over a couple $1,000s a month from making videos that take me no more than 10 hours a week to make. You need to start a channel.
Let's take a look at how she was able to do it and why people keep watching. Number 1, popular themes. When I say themes, I'm not just talking about using trending topics. I'm talking about things that a huge amount of people could be interested in, whether they actually like her channel and its style or not. Top 7 most viewed videos on her channel follow exactly that. For example, the video "You Need to Start a YouTube Channel, Here's Why" is her most viewed video.
I love money.
Or another one, "I Regret Moving to New York City, 1 month update" is one of her other most viewed videos. And if you remember what I said before about what her channel is based on, these two things don't really fall within. The reason using popular themes is so helpful is not only because these topics get more views than normal, and that means more traffic, but it also brings in people who normally would not click on any of her videos, like myself. I found her channel after seeing one of her videos about YouTube, and after I figured that I liked her personality, that's when I subscribed. But if I had stumbled across her channel randomly and just started scrolling through the videos, chances are I probably wouldn't have subscribed, just because I'm not interested in some of the topics, whether they be clothing or something that I just don't really want to watch. That's why the popular theme strategy works so well. It's because it's guaranteed to bring you in new people. It's like putting bait on a fishing hook, but when you pull them in, you don't kill them and eat them, they just watch more videos. Number 2, being unique / being herself. I know this one sounds pretty broad, but hear me out. People always say if you're going to make a YouTube channel or make YouTube videos, be unique, try something new, create something new. But we all know nearly everything has been done before, meaning that if you are truly unapologetically yourself, you will be unique because you are the only one that's like you. In Kelly's case, being herself is what's enjoyable to watch for so many people, including myself, as she's naturally funny and quirky. For example, I'm going to play 10 seconds of the beginning of one of her videos. I just want you to think in your head what the title of this video probably is, or what it might be. Now I'm going to assume you guys did not guess that this video was "You Need to Start a YouTube Channel, Here's Why." And when I first saw this video, I was like, what the hell am I watching? But somehow I stayed, and so did at least 27,000 other people, because of how unexpected it was, really, which again is part of her personality. There's quite a few channels relatively within the same niche as Kelly, but Kelly doesn't follow that typical smiley, happy, YouTuber vibe 24/7. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And that is what makes her stand out.
Hey, yeah, I have a YouTube channel. Yeah, it's so good, you should check it out. Like, I tell everybody about my channel as if it's the next best thing since sliced bread.
Because when I clicked on that video, I did not expect the first 10 seconds to go like what you just watched. And I bet you didn't either. It was weird, but it worked. Number 3, capitalizing on success. Almost all YouTube channels experiment a little bit at the beginning, as we're all trying to find something that works, something that people take more interest in. In fact, that's what I'm doing with this video right now, so please drop a comment if you enjoy it. And once channels find that thing or make that video that gets a little more traction than they've ever gotten before, that's your chance to capitalize. It means you did something right. This is one of those things YouTubers need to pay attention to, and Kelly definitely noticed it and continues to execute on it throughout her uploads. For example, she made a video about her experience moving to New York City, and that video garnered over 250,000 views. Now obviously that shows that there's a market for views there, Many of her next uploads had to do with New York City, as that's where all her new traffic just came from. And recently she's had even more success with this, creating YouTube related videos. After her first video on the topic gained over 175,000 views, she created 2 more shortly after, which are now the 2 most viewed videos on her channel. And they're also the reason she's been growing at such a quick rate recently. So, at the end of the day, Kelly Stamps is a successful YouTuber for several reasons. First of all, she makes good content. Second of all, she's really herself, and people are attracted to authenticity. Third, she's a comedian, and she's just funny. And lastly, she is relatable, more than most YouTubers because of the fact of what I mentioned earlier, her not being that "what's going on guys, welcome back to my channel" vibe. It's authentic. So I'll leave Kelly's link in the description of this video if anyone wants to check out her channel. And guys, every like and comment on this video really does help my channel grow, so if you enjoyed it at all, please consider doing so, and I will see you next week.